delicious summer snack.
I love summer snacks.
So, what is it?
What is it, Mommy?
We will be making chocolate peanut butter granola apple bites.
It sounds so yummy!
It does, right? So stay tuned and let's get started!
Let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 apples, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of granola, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for sprinkling, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips or chocolate pieces. This is the perfect after-school snack. Just 5 ingredients and it only takes 5 minutes to make. So let's get started. Step 1. Slice the apples into wedges. Now coat the tops of the apple wedges with some peanut butter. Step 2. Sprinkle some granola and cinnamon on top of each apple wedge. These apple bites are super easy, delicious, and nutritious. Step 3. Melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 1 minute. Now drizzle the wedges with the melted chocolate. It's that simple, and it looks amazing.
All done!
Now let's give it a try. It's so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, now this is a super yummy snack.
Yummy my tummy, yummy my tummy.
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next time.